everyone, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a quick 10-minute morning boost for you. This is a good routine to do first thing in the morning to give you that natural boost of energy, or any time during the day when you need a little pick me up. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. So stand up nice and tall. Relax your whole body, your feet firm on the ground, your knees are soft, your tailbone down so you can relax your lower back. Same time, lengthen through your spine upwards. Relax your neck and shoulders. Tuck your chin in to open and lengthen through the back of the neck. And the crown of the head is nice and open towards the sky. Take a moment here to settle in. Become aware of your breath and your body. We're gonna start with a hand massage to bring the energy to the hands, to activate the Laogun point. Just a few seconds here until you feel that your hands are nice and warm. Then quickly take it to the back of the hand, both sides, and dry wash your hands. Next, we're gonna knock on the forehead and the temples. This helps to awaken the senses, makes us feel sharper. Just a few seconds here. Then move up to the head from front to back. Then go ahead and knock the bottom of the neck just below the 7th vertebra spine. Then change hands. And relax. Next, with the open palm, make it a little bit more like a cup. Knock the back of the shoulder. Same time, trying to release some of that tension if you hold any. Relax your hand. Already notice what's happening. Do the same on the other side. And we relax. Quick check with your neck and shoulders, your head already responding. Next, we're gonna knock on the chest. Go up and down the center line. And here, let's take a nice deep breath in to open the chest. Exhale out the mouth. Breathe in and out. Just notice the quality of your breath and enjoy the sound of your own breathing. Very comforting. Let your hands relax for a moment. Notice your chest, the awareness that begin to spread around your body. Go ahead and gently knock on the side of the body, down towards the hip bone. Relax. Same on the other side. And relax. Okay, maybe shake it off. Relax your neck and shoulders down to your fingertips. Keep it nice and loose. Next, we're gonna bring our attention to the lower back. Go ahead and bring the energy to the kidneys. Massage the lower back. In traditional Chinese medicine, our kidneys link to our health and vitality. So, kind of massaging the kidneys will naturally give us that boost of energy. Sometimes it's even better than coffee. Try it for yourself. Just massage up and down until you feel that warmth inside. Then we're gonna knock up and down. Go down to the tailbone and then come up. One more time. Knock up and down your lower back. Relax your hands. Again, take a moment to bring your awareness to your back. Notice what changed. Then we're gonna do hip rotation. to open up the hips, to open the meridians that cross over the hips. Make sure we have a good circulation down to the legs and back up. Very, very good. Then pause, go the other way. Especially if you're sitting a lot or driving to your job. Just 5 minutes, couple of hours intervals, you can really, really help your lower back, help the circulation. Very, very good. We're gonna come back to center, relax, soften your body here. And then we're gonna go ahead and stretch upwards. So bend your wrist and slowly come up on your toes, lengthening through your spine and the crown of the head. Then release and bring that relaxation back down all the way to your feet. We do a couple of those to stretch and open. So go ahead and lift. Hold, hold, hold. Remember to breathe. Don't hold your breath. Always breathe in, and then we soften. Relaxing down all the way to the feet. Go ahead and do one more. Go up. Hold, hold, hold. As if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. And then we release and sending that wave of relaxation down the body. Take a moment here to notice how you feel now. Your hands, your chest, your back, down your hips and your legs. Very good. Then go ahead and shake off your legs to the side. Rub your hands one more time. And of course, all the energy boosting routines have breathing. So we're gonna finish today's routine with a sequence: touch the sky, press the earth. We're gonna be breathing through the nose, out the mouth. Keep it nice and soft. No need to overdo it. So just be mindful that you're always inhaling, always exhaling, nice and even. Okay? So feet parallel, tailbone down. Bring your hands slightly in. We're gonna breathe in to open the chest and just create that nice feel of open chest. Then exhale, we're gonna bend forward, keeping your back fairly straight, your fingers pointing down, the back of the legs nice and flat. We're gonna breathe in, look up, exhale, soften back down. Breathe in, visualize it as a big wave, just move your hands out, open your chest, breathe out, stretching through the back. Breathe in, big wave, lifting you up. Look up to the sky, exhale, let it soften and feel your whole body from head to toe. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. I'm going to show you the side view. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, big wave. Exhale, soften. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Remember, keep it nice and gentle. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Open your chest, fill up your lungs. Breathe out. Stretch your back, lengthening through the front of the body. Breathe in. And exhale. Let it sink down. Let it soften all the way to your feet. Take a moment here to notice how you feel. Deep breathing, deep control breathing gives us that natural boost of energy. Lots of sensations, lots of internal movement. Very, very good. And then we're gonna round the hands up. Take a nice big breath in here, and then we're gonna bounce to shake off the whole body. Releasing the spine, loosening the joints, and softening, of course. So go ahead and breathe in, and then let it all go. Breathe in, and not too hard, just enough for you to create a subtle vibration of comfort, relaxation, and ease in the body. One more time, breathe in, and relax your hands to the side. Again, check in with yourself. Notice how you feel. And if you feel good, smile to yourself. Good job. I hope you enjoy this routine. I hope it made you feel better. And if you like these videos, guys, subscribe to my channel to support free Qigong videos on YouTube. And if you would like to try something new, I do Zoom classes every Sunday on my membership site. Feel free to join. So thank you very much for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.